Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at a powerhouse vacuum designed for deep cleaning homes with pets, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 upright vacuum. This vacuum is built for serious performance. With 290 air watts of powerful suction, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 is Dyson's strongest corded upright vacuum, engineered to pull embedded dirt, pet hair, and debris from carpets and hard floors with ease. If you struggle with fur on carpets, stairs, or upholstery, this vacuum is made specifically for you. One of its standout features is the De-tangling Motorbar cleaner head. This intelligently designed brush bar automatically clears wrapped hair as you clean, preventing clogs and reducing maintenance. Long hair, pet hair, or both, this system keeps suction strong without interruptions. The vacuum includes 3 suction modes, allowing you to adjust performance based on your floor type. Use maximum suction for deep carpet cleaning, switch to balanced mode for everyday cleaning, or select gentle mode for hard floors and delicate surfaces. Thanks to Dyson's Ball trademark technology, the vacuum steers smoothly around furniture with just a twist of your wrist, making it surprisingly easy to maneuver despite its powerful motor. The whole machine filtration system is fully sealed, capturing allergens and microscopic dust particles, an excellent feature for households with allergies or pets. The hygienic bin emptying system lets you release dirt with one action, keeping your hands clean. With onboard tools for stairs, upholstery, and tight spaces, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 adapts easily to full home cleaning. Its durable build, consistent corded power, and strong suction make it a reliable long-term investment. If you want deep cleaning performance, effortless pet hair pickup, and no loss of suction, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 delivers professional-level results at home. If this review helped you, check the Amazon link below to get yours, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews.